Let's start with booting the Mirari using a MorphOS 3.20 bootable USB key and follow the guided installer. Don't mind the graphic glitches, these are due to the capture device. At the iWizard device storage selector, take note of the NVMe.device 0. This will be the medium to install MorphOS on. Now that all MorphOS installation files are copied, it's time to reboot the Mirari and boot using the NVMe installation. Now that we have booted from the NVMe device, let's make sure to use all available space on the NVMe drive by creating partitions. Next to the 25 GB system partition we have selected during the setup process, we will now resize the automatically created DH1 partition and create a DH2 partition based on the remaining space. When the partitioning process is done, it's time to format both DH1 and DH2 partitions so they will be ready to use. We would like to thank Frank Mariak, Harold Canning, and the MorphOS team for making this new technology available for our beloved MorphOS operating system.